So let's see the CFG. CFG is classifier-free guidance, which is mean how much do you allow the model to take into account your prompt and not to be more free in decisions. To tell him, I want you to really take a look on the prompt and make sure you follow it. Really make sure you follow it. So let's see. First of all, I will get rid of those two. I change it to clip -1 for now. And let's see what happened. I will start from 2. Okay, CFG 2, 20 steps. And let's see what we are getting. 2 mean the lower is mean that it has more freedom. The model has more freedom and it doesn't have to follow the instructions of the prompt. So you can see it did something, which is nice. Now let's move it here, duplicate it, and give it 5. Okay. We still get the box with all those soaps or rocks or whatever, but we start to get more data around it. It means that we ask him to be more precise to our prompt. Okay, now I will give it 8, which is quite high. If you want really precision, you can give it 12, 15. It can get until 30 or something like that, even more. But I don't know if you need it. So let's take 8. Again, we duplicate it by Option or Alt in the keyboard and dragging. And let's see what is 8. Now it needs to really follow our prompt. Okay, so it's follow it much better. Okay, so you can see it's different. And the Falcon gone. It's okay. Now let's give it 15. Okay, now it really tracks us. And technically the sync was gone. There is no sync anymore. There are only those soap on the box, etc. Let's see the prompt if it makes sense. Array of handmade soap. Okay. Wooden dish. Very nice. In the bedroom. Okay. But do you see a falcon on this prompt? There is no falcon. There is only the word bedroom. Now, it doesn't say it's supposed to be a falcon for water. But let's see. Here, it set it when we were on 5. At 8, it was much more precise, so it's gone. And we have some kind of a sync. But look what happened here on the 15. Now it's much more fit to the thing that we asked for, and we didn't allow so much decision for the model. Okay, so if you want the model to be more precise to the thing that you want, you need to give it much more higher CFG, which is the guidance. Good. Now let's go to the next one, which is the sampler.